Okay, so basically what you do is you get your circle. Basically, my dad's playing Assassin's Creed in the background. Okay, so basically what you do is you color it in, or at least that's what I do. I just pick my color. Yeah, I just pick my color. I set down the background. I erase some of it. Very epic tutorial. I just erase some of it. This isn't helping. I erase it. So then I add a new layer with the white, and then I add or glow, whatever, and I just alpha lock, and I just sort of do this sort of thing, just sort of deal, I guess. It's not the best, but I hope it helps.